Hey guys, welcome back to Rimzy's kitchen. Today I'm going to share how to make pesto 2 ways, and do watch the video till the end as you'll also learn how to use this pesto in different recipes. Toasting the nuts before adding them to the blender does elevate the flavor of the pesto. Not used water to blend the ingredients. Oil is the only liquid that has been added in this recipe. You can refrigerate the pesto for few days. Remember to drizzle olive oil on top to prevent discoloration or oxidation of the pesto. This recipe is different as I've added parsley along with basil. I've also substituted pine nuts with walnuts. Even almonds will perfectly work fine for this recipe. Parmesan cheese is highly recommended for this recipe, but if it's not available at your place, you can always substitute it with any type of hard cheese, or even cheddar cheese will work fine for this recipe. I have used sun-dried tomato pesto to make ciabatta halloumi cheese sandwich. You can use any type of bread of your choice, but remember to toast the bread before assembling the sandwich. to the traditional pesto, I'm going to share it with my dear friend Sonam from Cake&Conversations. I have shared her channel link in the description box. Do check out for some wonderful recipes that she has shared. And I'm super excited to see what Sonam is going to make with the pesto that I have shared with her. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Walk along with me on this beautiful culinary journey. Till then, happy cooking!